Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S10. So let's do it. So the first method is to hold together the volume down button and the power button for a second, like this. Let's do it again. So as you can see, it is very easy. Now let's go to all apps and let's do it again. Okay, and the second method, just go to settings and hit on advanced features. Here go to motions and gestures, and here you must be sure that you have enabled palm swipe to capture. Okay, and now just swipe your palm over the screen like this. It's very easy. Let's do it again. Okay. And if you want to see these captures, just go to the gallery and here there are. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.